It has been a fantastic start to the month. Keep it, okay? Keep it. Don't hand it back in some chop fest. Keep it and then start again next week. All right, guys. I'll be out with some stuff on social in a little bit. Take care. Trade them well. I'll talk to you then. All right. Good morning, everybody. Mike Vaki, Princetontrader, here with your Friday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, we had the jobs report. It was lighter than expected. Went down and did 26, bounced up, and we're kind of messing around. We got a lot of key areas on our stuff between 30 and 31. It's trying to make that stuff resistance, but it's not really progressing down below 26, at least as far as when I am taping this is concerned. If it can't break 26, if it hops over the top of 30 to 31, then we're looking for that slow bleed up progression that we were talking about in the wrap-up video yesterday. So I got out of the rest of the long that we had for the room this morning. We punched out at the 33 area, so we end up doing 40 on the back half of a runner. So a solid, not quite 20 handle is an 18 handle trade for the room. So a nice way to do the Thursday. Takes a lot of pressure off of a summer Friday. It's rare when a trend up Thursday has that trend reversed on a Friday. So to say that we basically did a V yesterday, right? They took it down to the monthly pivot, they V'd it right back up above the weekly pivot, and then they just kept on going. So full trend up Thursday. The likelihood of a trend up Thursday becoming a trend down Friday is very small. Look, anything's possible, but it's very small. And a lot of times people that come in that situation on Thursday and fight price to the short side, shorting every pop, getting themselves into terrible trouble, will come back Friday and expect the market to suddenly do Wile E. Coyote off a cliff and dump out and go back to where it was. Why would it do that? I mean, that's a very rare outcome. What's more likely is we pull back, find our footing somewhere, and then start to bleed back to the upside. Do we actually progress anywhere today? I don't know. I mean, I'm not sure there's enough people around to really progress anything in a meaningful way today. What I do know is that until the bears start converting levels that matter and progressing lower in a meaningful way, that they are in a tremendous disadvantage in this tape. The weekly pivot is still down at 1975. You want to show me something? Go break it, turn it into resistance. If you can't do that, then these pullbacks are buys, and we probably end up heading maybe barely higher, or we just kind of chop it up the rest of the day. If they want to chop up Friday afternoon, it's been a good week. And speaking to the subscribers, it has been a fantastic start to the month. Keep it, okay? Keep it. Don't hand it back in some chop fest. Keep it and then start again next week. All right, guys. I'll be out with some stuff on social in a little bit. Take care. Trade them well. I'll talk to you then.